Hello. So I'm getting an error when I'm doing a purchase order. I'm creating a purchase order and I'm getting error. Account assignment is mandatory for this material and enter and account assignment category. Message number is ME062. So how to resolve this error? So this error can be resolved by changing some configuration for material type. So we'll see that. So let's see. First of all, I must know uh, this material type, like it's final product or raw material or semi-finish or what type of material it is. And secondly, I must know the valuation area for this material. So plant. So I will just find out its plant and valuation, sorry, material type. So plant I have created here is I10 and valuation area. So we can find valuation area, sorry, material type. So then go to SE16N, then MARA is the table for material. Then give your material number. In my case, my material number is 15 times 0 1 1, and just execute it. So here we are interested in material type. So execute. So my material type here is FERT, that is a finished product. Once I know material type and I know plant, then I can easily change the configuration. Then go to your configuration, SIMG. In logistic general, there is a setting for material master and then basic settings. And here then we have define attribute for material type under material type. So this will be the path. SIMG, then logistic general, material master, basic setting, material type, and define attribute for material types. Execute it. Once you go inside, we are interested in our material type FERT that we found in last step. Then click on quality and value update. Then we are interested in first column, that is a valuation area. So my valuation area is IE10. So for my valuation area, actually for this material, valuated stock quantity and value update is not activated, and that's why we are getting this error. So just activate this and there. Okay, so this is one way. You can directly come to the screen by using T code as well, and that is OMS2. So go to OMS2 and again same, your material type, then same path, actually nothing change. I'm just coming in two ways. One is directly through configuration, another one is through T code OMS2. So now we will go again in our PO screen and we'll check if that particular error has been gone or not. Okay, I guess I need to rerun the T code to see if this error is gone. Okay, so I will do ME21N again. Then my possible supplier, material, then PO quantity, delivery date, and let's see. So now that error is at least not coming. Okay, asking me net price must be 0. So, okay. Okay, now that error is not coming. So this is the way we solve this error message. So thank you for watching. See you in the another error video. Bye.